How to get started with your landscape art. I'm going to show you a couple designs here first. This one I did a year ago, and I use a frame around it. So a frame can add a lot of nice details around the edge. Okay. Here's another student work that I have here that does not have a frame. If you don't have a frame, you can have a little bit bigger area. You just have to watch out that you don't do stuff too close to the edge, because sometimes it gets cut off if it's a little bit by the edge. Okay, so that's kind of the first thing you need to do when you get started, is to decide, do I want a frame or not? Okay, so if you do want a frame, what you need to do is take one of these cardboard templates. You're going to take a pencil and you're just going to trace this right here. Okay, that's going to give them a nice area to get started. And what I would do is I would work on the middle first if you did a frame, and then the end part, or when you get done with in the middle, then do the outer edge. Okay. To get started with your landscape, first of all, have an idea. Okay, what are you going to do? There's a packet back there of a bunch of ideas. You can use some of them, change them, take some ideas there, but really look at these, because there's some really good ideas in here just to get some ideas. This is a great place to go to. Last time we also did some practicing, and you guys did a little practice maybe in that last box. Those are some good ones too. Maybe you want to take that and change it up a little bit. So that's kind of how you get started with your ideas. Once you got it down, you get into the drawing part. Okay, so you're going to do some whisper lines. You might remember last year we did some animal pictures and we did some really light lines. Okay, so if I'm going to do a landscape here, I'm just going to come in and lightly go in there. You probably can't even see it there, and that's okay. You're just going to sketch out where everything's going to go, because if you do make a mistake, it's easy to erase. Okay, so you sketch it out. Where do you want your objects to go? You know, what kind of things are you going to be working on? You know, if it's a sunset, you can start putting those things in there. But the biggest thing, guys, it's going to have a foreground, middle ground, and background. So let's say you got all your design done, your entire work's done, even your frame. Then I want you to go into a Sharpie marker and then really focus on nice clean lines. You can clean it up with an eraser, and then later on we'll get to the coloring part. Okay, so really today focus on doing nice quality drawing, and don't really even worry about the colors yet. Alright guys, can't wait to see how you get started. Please ask questions if you need it.